Here I have a Doogee S70, and today I'm going to show you how to check your battery info on this device. So firstly, you will have to download this Ampere app from the Play Store. Then you have to open it, and after that it immediately starts measuring your battery. And after it measures, here you can see all of the information about your battery here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.